Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Atlanta Falcon Nation, what it do, what it do. It's your boy Kstylz, and I am presenting you with the Atlanta Falcon Nation Bird Word of the Week for our Sunday matchup against the Detroit Lions. Now, coming from a W last week against the Vikings, morale is high. But we're going to get back to that in a second, and I'm going to let you know that my word of the week will be determination. Why I say determination? Because if you looked at the matchup against the Vikings last week, that's what you saw from the jump. Determined to make a statement. Kirk Cousins went from the favorite family cousin to the adopted family friend once removed because of this determination. We took that Vikings defense and we turned them into low-class sailors. Now, what I saw from Raheem Morris and what his implemented on this team was he held accountability to these players to the highest extent, which means you mess up, you get your ass off the field. You play well, you keep going. And it resonated throughout the whole team for 60 minutes, which is one of my favorite things to say. 60 minutes. Now, we could bring this same determination over to this Lions game. Play your position, do your job, and the Falcons could look at another victory. Like they said, one victory is one, two is two, three is a winning streak. Now, my prediction for this game, I don't know. I'm not going to say it, but if the Falcons can play perfect 60-minute football with no hiccups and everybody doing their job, I cannot see this team losing to the Detroit Lions. This your boy Kstylz. Like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.